There are 13 days left before Christmas!
Welcome to JLYCC News and Events!
Woo! Christmas is a time for loving and giving. Natatandaan mo ba ang iyong right and left person from the Do You Love Me campaign? Ito na ang opportunity nyo to invite them sa December 18 at Activity Area Star Mall 4 in the afternoon for a spectacular Christmas presentation from Kingdom Kids entitled A King is Born, a Children's Christmas Cantata and Puppet Show.
May chance pang manalo ang iyong kaharkit ng prizes sa ating paraffle, kaya invite them na! Tickets are now available at the GK's counter.
At syempre, may repeat performance pa yan to be held the following day during our morning service. Kaya invite na! And the Christmas party of the kids will be held after work.
Talaga? Aattend ako dyan!
Tama! Sama rin ako!
Uy, dyan lang ipasa na!
So next Sunday na lang ha, dahil pagkapala day na natin.
Talaga? Kayo rin! Prepare your gifts and bless someone!
Young people, ages 13 and above, know more about the DARE on our new teaching series, I Dare You. Be daring enough to accept the DARE at the Empowered Emerge service. Every Sunday, 3 in the afternoon at the Bertel 7 Star Mall. Jinit, kilala mo ba kung sino ang pinakamasaya mag-celebrate ng Kapaskuhan?
Sino?
Siyempre, ang mga Pinoy! Leaders! Tayo magsaya at mag-enjoy sa ating Leaders Christmas Party, ang Pasko ng Pinoy, sa December 20, 7 in the evening at the Bertel 7 Star Mall. May 150 pesos pong contribution para dito.
Huwag niyo din kalimutan dumalo sa inyong pinakamagandang Filipino costume dahil may nag-aabang na papremyo sa mananalo.
And for the group presentation, watch this. Very important message, church. The last midweek service will be moved from Thursday, December 30 to Wednesday, December 29, 7 p.m., still in the Bertel 7 Star Mall. This will also be our last Harps and Bowls for the year. Don't miss the last message that will give you a good exit for 2010. If you want to have a good entrance for 2011, don't miss our Grand New Year celebration on January 2, 2011. According to a 1995 survey, 7 out of 10 British dogs ay nakakatanggap na regalo from their owners. Kung ang aso ngayon nakakatanggap, how much more ang mga taong importante sa buhay mo? Express your gratefulness to them this Christmas by giving them simple gifts and tokens of appreciation. Siyempre, alam naman natin, one of the best gifts that you can give to them this Christmas is our Prayer and Dream Journal. So, bili na, wag na magpahuli for only 197.75 pesos.
This is not yet the end. More surprises await you.
This is JLYCC News and Events. God bless and Jesus loves you.